In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. Keeping sensitive work visible only to the right people is essential, and Asana makes this straightforward once you know where to look. Start by heading to Asana in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace or organization, especially if you're part of multiple teams. You'll also want to be a member of the project and have permission to adjust its sharing settings. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, it likely means your access level is limited, and you may need a project owner to make the change. Next, open the specific project you want to lock down. You can find it from your sidebar under Projects, your recent items, or by using the search bar at the top. Give the project name a quick glance to confirm you're in the right place. This helps avoid changing visibility on the wrong project. You'll be working in the project's header area, so keep your eyes on the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Share button in the project header. It usually sits near the project name and can display the current visibility, such as public to team or private to members. Click Share to open the sharing panel. This is where you can see who currently has access and, importantly, where you'll adjust overall visibility. Inside the sharing panel, find and select Access Settings. This section controls how broadly the project can be seen within your team or organization. It's the central place for privacy preferences, separate from inviting individual collaborators. Now, open the Visibility dropdown. It may be labeled with the current setting, and a small arrow will reveal all available options. You'll see choices like public to team or organization-wide, depending on your plan and setup. Choose Private, often shown as Private to Project members. This setting ensures only people explicitly added to the project can view its tasks, details, and attachments. If prompted to confirm, proceed. Once applied, non-members will no longer be able to access the project. Before you close the panel, take a moment to review the member list so the right people keep access. If you need to add someone later, return to the Share button and invite them directly. They'll gain visibility without making the entire project public. That's it. You've made your Asana project private. A quick recap. Open your project, go to Share, open Access Settings, use the drop-down, and select Private. This small change goes a long way toward protecting sensitive work while keeping your team focused and secure.